Yeah, that figures.
How long can't really see it anymore.
4th of July on the lake.
Nothing's happening.
Huh?
Lots were happening until we turned the camera on. There we go. There we go.
I got 2 more months. 2.5, sorry. 2.5.
We don't know who the heck is setting them off, but we're watching.
I know. Well, tell your son to turn us.
Good job, Rylan.
There you go. Keep turning, Rylan. Keep going. I actually just got. I used to have this. I actually just got the box set again. Yep.
Say this a little bit, David.
Never haunt me.
Get up, sing it.
I don't love you, not you by then.
I got
Some oceanfront property in Arizona. From my front porch you can see the sea. I got some oceanfront property in Arizona. If you buy that, I'll build a Golden Gate. What's going on over there?
more is coming on over here.
The final
Like the
lake, or is that the finale?
Yeah.
You know it's the finale.
Oh, I'm just guessing.
Well, yeah, and then we gotta go back and have that most lovely run too.
The ground you walk on. Can't get anybody here. The camera's not being held still because Dannon's been drinking too much beer and can't hold it still. Property in Arizona. From my front porch you can see the sea. I got some